Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Oracle Cloud VPS console access and networking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Oracle Cloud VPS console access and networking, start by logging into your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the Oracle Cloud console. In the left menu, select the Compute option. Then, click on Instances to view your virtual private servers. Identify the VPS instance you want to verify. Click on the instance name to open its details. In the instance details, locate the Console Connection tab. Ensure that the console connection type is set to VNC or serial. If it's not configured, select the appropriate option and save your changes. Next, check the networking settings by clicking on the Networking tab. Review the virtual cloud network associated with your instance. Ensure that the subnet settings are correctly configured. Verify the security list rules that apply to the virtual cloud network. Make sure there are inbound rules allowing SSH or RDP traffic. Check that your instance has a public IP address assigned. If there's no public IP, associate one by selecting Attach Public IP. Document the private and public IP addresses for future reference. Now, return to the Console Connection tab. Click on the Launch Console button to access the console. Verify that you can successfully connect to the console via VNC or serial. Test the network connectivity by accessing the command line interface. Ping an external domain to confirm internet connectivity. If necessary, check firewall settings within the instance. Ensure that the operating system's firewall allows the necessary traffic. Once all checks are complete, you have successfully verified the console access and networking for your Oracle Cloud VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.